Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma, onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Hi, my name is Ijeoma Kubwe. I bring you Igbo lessons. I encourage you to speak Igbo so you can communicate better with your friends and your family. Okay, so this week I'm trying to find out more about you by asking some questions. Please oblige me by just paying attention. Okay, so the questions will come to you initially in Igbo. Okay, to come to you initially in Igbo, and then towards the end of the video I'll give you the English translation. So try and work out what it means when I say the Igbo version. Okay, one can video. Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Nji dash dash dash. Ebe ka ị ga-edezi azịza gị. Now you fill in your bit. Nji dash dash dash. So I've finished the Igbo session. The next thing you will see will be the English translation. So if you want to try and work out what this Igbo version means, spend some time on this session and try and work out what it means. Okay, so Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Nji dash dash dash. Okay, so English now. How are you learning Igbo? Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. How are you learning it? So this question is, I want to know how you're learning it at the moment. Are you learning it via YouTube? Are you attending a live program, face-to-face, person-to-person? Are you being taught in a family by a family member? Just tell me how you are learning it at the moment. Okay, are you using books? Whatever method you've used, whether I've mentioned it or not, I would like it if you write that in the comments. Okay, so how are you learning Igbo? I am using, okay, so that was Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Kee otu isi amụ Igbo. Nji dash dash dash. So again, when you start answering, please start answering with this sentence, which means I am using dash dash dash. So it doesn't matter if what comes after it you write it in English, but I would like you to start it with this Igbo sentence. Nji. So Nji course or Nji Igbo course. Okay, or Nji Igbo books. I'm using Igbo books. Okay, so just start it this way. Dalu o. Dere mi anukburu. Write it below. Dalu. Ka ọ dị Na-asụkwa Igbo.